The Atal Setu was the signature cable-stayed bridge of the BJP government. How has the bridge turned out to be a cruel joke on taxpayers? Although the Atal Setu is being repaired under the defect liability clause, why are the GSIDC and contractor not being held accountable for the defect? It was stated the bonding between the bitumen and the underlying coating failed within 2 years of the Atal Setu's inauguration. Now, after the bridge was closed for repairs recently, it has again been closed for repairs yet another time. The desperation to complete the repairs is clear. Have a look at the repair works of the bridge as on date. Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.